This is crazy.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back from the Mammut Park. On the way back we realized we have some knocking noise in the rear suspension. After investigation I realized that one of the housing of the shock was able to turn. It was very little but enough, so tightening some screws helped, but we didn't finish there. We investigate further and we find other stuff.
Welcome guys. I welcome you from the bottom of my car. And first of all, I think I have this bolts here a little bit loose for some reason on the both sides, so I just get back here and I thought they are the reason why I have this strange noise coming from the suspension, but anyway, I tied them properly and now I have a look here and you see this bolt here is missing and there is this movement here which sounds kind of familiar for me, so I will try to deal with that and make sure that something here it's better fixed. I don't know if I will get on this bolt somehow. So I will first check accessibility for the tool.
5 minutes later.
Accessibility for the tool, it's not bad. It's tight, but I think it can work actually. Nice. Okay, let's look for the drill and try to get this out. Small angle drill. Drill. It's Saturday, so grill is on my mind. Anyway, so small angle drill. Try to get this out, make it bigger for the reef nut, and then put the reef nut there, tie it all together, and have a test drive. So maybe we will need to change the strategy, because if there was a bolt in it, there is a nut behind it, so I will be not able to make a reef nut. Do I want to try to make a thread there? Yeah, I want to try to make a thread there. So I have all tools I need: 6.8 drill, tabs and adapters for tabs and everything. Often that I need. Would be better to have much shorter drill. Let's see how it does. Biting very good. Yeah. Okay. That was 6.8. So I'm using these adapters. I don't know how good you can see them. Yeah, it's adapter for this to put the tab directly on it, so you can operate in the tight spaces. Pretty cool. So something like that. Now is step 2 coming in. So now there is a final go. I'm very surprised how hard it is actually. I was expecting it more to be corroded and stuff, but it's actually some healthy metal there. Nice. Pretty good. A little bit of the paste. I don't know, this is some random bolt I just find in the cupboard. No, I cannot stand that. I'm back with the better tools. I have a feeling that there is, in this arrangement here, it's something not normal. So if you have a Pajero long wheelbase, if you could make some pictures of this, how these hoses and these pipes should be actually arranged. It's just surprisingly much sticking down here. I don't know, maybe can I do it like, you see that, this salad? Let's go for the test drive. So it is definitely better, but it's not perfect yet.
I realized that these hoses are actually loose in other two places. One spot is on top of the differential, so absolutely out of reach, and the second is on top of the drive shaft and hide it a little bit behind the diesel tank. So I decided to take a drive shaft off the differential and then try to fix it somehow. There was actually the bolt in the bracket, but it snaps from the corrosion, so I tried to drill it out. And it was kind of a fight because you really cannot really get into there. So I tried first with the small angle drill to drill it out, but I realized the only chance is actually to replace everything, and there will be no lead nut, nothing. I will just need to fiddle in like a normal washer with the nut and then put the bolt in it. So as you see on the screen, I tried to just remove the rest, which was behind the bracket. There was like a welded on nut which I need to kind of get out of the way. So finally I need to actually drill it just a little bit bigger to get this welded nut loose. On the beginning I thought it would be quick job, so I don't need to fix everything, but actually like suspending these pipes away from the place you're working, it's a big deal, so don't skip that one if you want to fix it.
So welcome back, guys. So I continue looking for the loose pieces, and I find another 2 clamps from these hoses to be actually bolts broke off. So I fixed the back one, you saw that already, and I'm here now next to the tank, and I managed to drill out the old one. There is still the leftovers from the welded on nut, and I tried to drill it out. I have like a M6 bolt with 2 big washers and lock nut. I will try to fiddle it in there, but it's tight. You need to go a little bit behind the tank. So all this means about, hey, well, where you learn to use your fingers like that, it's like all true. It's exactly like that. So yeah, I will show you. You see, this is a loose clamp. This is that, and there is a attachment, and there is no bolt anymore. I will try to put it in. There's a lot of pressure on it, so I will maybe try to support it with something. Oh, that will be not easy. You see, the problem is, or not the problem, but something which I realize is, why is the end of it polished? And it is polished because it's constantly rubbing against this, because this clamp is not holding it up. This is laying down and is polishing this. So that's not optimal. I don't know how long it can, how resistant it is to be polishing, and how resistant is that. And I think this is actually jumping and making noises as well. Yeah, so there you have it, folks. I managed, but it wasn't easy. I will show you now. You see this bolt there? It's a stainless steel 6mm bolt with washer and a self-locking nut on top, and that's pretty nice and sturdy now. This is not vibrating anymore. And I was looking for another things which are strange, and you see this pipe. This is very strange. I don't think it's supposed to be done. And when you look from the very beginning here, light please, there you see there is a clamp. It's a big thick pipe clamp with the small, and then again here we have exactly the same setup, big pipe clamp with the small, and the small is always with a little bit of the rubber cover for the purpose of fixing, I think. And then we have this place here. Let me just, yeah, we have this place here. You see, there is a small rubber piece on the small hose. There is no clamp on this one, but there is a very nice looking threaded hole in the car. So I will see in the manual if there's supposed to be fixing point. For now, I will just fix it in a few places with cable ties. I think that will be a big improvement. So I put some cable ties here. I put it all together here with these pipes to make sure they are not jumping in case they are making noises. Here one clamp before I clear this situation with the theoretically necessary clamp here. So I will start to put back together the powertrain. Yeah, there is one more thing which is bothering me a little bit. So I have a look in the video and I didn't tell, so I tell now. 60 Newton meters, so I will tighten now. And then we need to lift the car, rotate one wheel and then lower it. So I'm investigating the car and looking on stuff and something strange get my attention. Yeah, there is a, a lot of duct tape. There is a lot of duct tape here. And there's a question if I want to have a look what is inside or under this. I probably should. That would be interesting. So I have some screws to recover from here. And there is a lot of glue. Ah, there is stuff broken, of course.
Hey, if you make it that far in the video, that's so great. I very appreciate you to be here and watch the whole video. That brings a lot, and yeah, it just fuels up this algorithm, you know, like it's just pushing the video a little bit further every day. So thank you very much for doing it. If you are here, you probably already subscribed, so thank you for that. And yeah, I hope I bring some value for you. So I appreciate you very much.
That is devastated. That's this is crazy. So this thing is absolutely crashed, but I know how to fix it. Yep, we are going back to good old solutions. I will look around, do some research, see what is it, how much it costs to change it, and then I will give it a second thought. So the car is not stopping to surprise. Yeah, I will probably call it a day now. I need to go home, have a look how expensive the part is. Do I really need it? Do I really want it to change it or something? We'll see. Maybe we will get some used one. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time.